This is the seafood man from Jamaican Anglers, right? The boss could make it today, so what happened? We carry Jomo with me, a good friend of mine. Now we're heading out at deep sea right now, right? And we'll get some kingfish. We target some kingfish today. You understand? So right now we're on our way out. So Jomo, what you have to say?
Well, I hope the day is productive. We had a beautiful high tide. The moon phase is right. The water clarity is good. Water temperature is not bad, so we hope to kill them.
Right. You have anybody to big up?
Big up myself.
Alright. Well, me have that few virgin to big up to, you know. Big up the boss, the video man. Big up around the angler. Him have a channel, you know. You check him out on YouTube too, you know. And big up the seafood man. Guess who that? That is me. Look right here. Big up every time. Anyway, we're heading out now. So we catch up on you.
Yes, it's that time again. Where the seafood man is back in business.
Alright.
The man is on higher tides. Getting his groove on as usual. Yeah, man. Them man don't bat them fish, them man kill fish.
Alright. Why do you want to feel like I want jacking? It don't really matter, no?
It don't matter. We don't put nothing out there.
Yeah,
A fish you come for fish. We come fishing, sir. You don't name selecting it, name fishing.
Alright, sir. You see, nice though, kind of choppy, but
Yeah, man.
nice water.
Yeah, man. This water is lovely. Beautiful, beautiful weather, as you can see here. Yeah, as you can see, beautiful weather. Here in Kingston, Jamaica. You know, living the salt life. Yeah. Well, force him and you run things. I want the rod.
Seafood man.
The seafood man. You spare the rod, you spoil the jack.
That's right. Jack tighten on him still a move.
What?
Hear that?
Hey. Him just a warm up now. Just a warm up.
But you know, I understand. In the point top of the water. You know, Jack could really go down.
Yeah.
What if it's a big king?
Well,
We have
possibly.
We have for one line.
Possibly.
Maybe it's a big king. Not
Possibly
sure.
it's a big king.
We're just guessing, we're not sure.
Probably it's a big queen. No, I don't think it's a big queen. It's a big king. My thumb.
Put the golf here, huh?
Of course. After the tools of your game, put them to shame.
Oh no, come Joe.
No man, we don't talk like that around here. Any fish we hook them have to come. Where are the fish, man? Mr. Seafood man, where are the fish?
Yeah man, where the man? Alright, Joe.
Of course. Of course. Whatever I can see is what. Come, I need to see is what, Mr. Seafood, man.
Yeah, man.
I need to see is what? I need to see him face.
See him face now. You see
Big
him?
crevalle jack.
Yeah.
Big crevalle jack.
Can you see him?
Yeah, man. Loud and clear.
One hold him here.
No bother rush him. Don't treat the people and make the people think fishing is easy, you know. It's not for the faint of heart. Ladies and gentlemen, Jack Crevalle,
Yes.
Kingston, Jamaica. Yeah.
And this is a seafood, man.
Yeah,
Boy,
man.
Jomo, the kingfish them bad out here today,
What?
man.
What?
We are double hook
Double
up.
hook up.
I couldn't even video the man because
Here and get to it.
my one get out, my one get to still. But guess what? Jomo collect fee one.
Yeah.
Jomo say something now. Say something, man.
Well, it's a beautiful day.
Yes.
Beautiful tide. Nice water clarity. Like the moon phase too. You're out here killing fish and feel good.
May I tell you?
Yeah?
Get double hook up, man.
Some
Two
man like
people.
powder don't kill fish for a long time.
See the talk to him there. See him there. That's right.
Good morning, Mr. Powder.
Alright. Well, Jomo find fee one, you know. But my one double hook up, you know, but my one get away. Get away, so you know. I'll show you this little one here. This is Jomo one. Lift him up, Jomo, make a show the people them. Alright, see him there? Nice size. Yeah.
Yeah, this has been a very good day. Yeah, it was a beautiful high tide. Water clarity was good. But boy, the rains this morning really gave a lot of problems. But you know, we don't go over empty handed. You know, courtesy of the man here himself, Seafood man. You know, we have a nice 10-pound jack here and a nice 4-pound kingfish heading in, so we have good dining. But I said I know it was a good day. You know, I get a couple of fish, get some sunburn. You know, the vibe was good. You know, the weather was pristine. You know, the climate was beautiful. You know, and of course, living the salt life.
Ah, right. Definitely.
Enjoying all of this. You know,
Yeah, man.
taking it and just basking and all of this. You know, love it.
Yes,
All
yes.
good.
Alright.
Big up yourself. Big up yourself.
Alright.
Big time.
You too.
All right.
Alright.
Cool. Take care.